So guys, this is the finished product. So ganito siya kahaba. Look. Isang ganun na lang dangkal. Kasi haba na siya nung aming doorway. So 10 layers shoe rack. Then there's another thing on the top. Hindi ko pa na ilalagay. Then 2 pair of shoes lang ang nailalagay sa bawat layer. So ngayon, tatanggalin na natin yung lumang shoe rack dun sa side. I-try natin to kung how it look like. Okay? Samahan niyo ako, guys. Bitbitin natin siya ng ganito. Okay. There you go. So, lagay ko kayo dyan. Huwag kayong mahulog. Wait. Mahuhulog kayo kasi hindi stable yung aking pinagpatungan. Okay. There you go. Tabingi kayo. Okay. So, ito yung lumang shoe rack namin. So, hindi kasi siya kaya. Madaming shoes. And slippers. Comes with it. So, ganyan siya. Okay. So, ganyan siya. So, lalagyan na natin siya ng shoes. So, para maganda naman siya tingnan, instead, ganun kasi ako maglagay ng shoes. Baliktad. So, ang gagawin natin is, ihaharap natin yung shoes. Okay. So, those are my boots. So, para maganda tingnan, ihaharap natin yung shoes. Since si asawa ay laging lalabas, sa kanya yung sa bottom side para madali lang niyang makuha yung shoes niya. Then yung kanyang ibang shoes. So guys, iyan na yung finished product ng ating shoe rack. So actually, basically 2 pair of shoes lang every layer. So there is 10 layers. So yan ang nasa baba. 2 first layer for my husband, 3rd layer for my son, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th layers for myself. Then the last 2 layers I put something on, a decoration. Guys, hope you like it. Bye.